channel. I've come to realize something funny. Despite all my years as a student, I think I've learned way more as a parent. It's like life just keeps throwing new lessons at you every day. And guess what? In this whirlwind of learning, I stumbled upon something incredible, JASO, the Japan Student Services Organization, and their amazing virtual fair. Trust me, life is full of pleasant surprises, and exploring this fair was one of them. So, if you're curious about studying in Japan or just want to explore a new world of opportunities, stick around. I'm going to guide you step by step on how to make the most of the JASO virtual fair. And as usual, don't forget deep breathing exercises as you listen. Let's dive into this fun-filled adventure. The JASO Virtual Fair is an incredible platform for anyone interested in studying in Japan. It's a one-stop destination where you can connect with universities, learn about scholarships, and explore Japanese culture, all from the comfort of your home. Let me break it down for you in simple steps so you can navigate this virtual fair like a pro. Step 1. Registration. Step 1. Register yourself. Head over to the JASO website and find the virtual fair link. Click on Register and fill in your details, your name, email, and areas of interest. Once you submit, check your email for a confirmation link. Don't forget to verify your email. This will give you full access to the fair. Step 2. Logging in. Once you're registered, log into the platform using your email and password. You'll be taken to the fair's dashboard, a virtual map of all the sections waiting for you to explore. Step 3. Exploring the fair. Now, here's where the fun begins. You'll see several options like university booths here. You can interact with representatives, download brochures, and even book one-on-one consultations. Live webinars join sessions on topics like student life in Japan, scholarships, and career opportunities. Cultural experiences discover Japan's traditions, food, and more through interactive videos and virtual tours. Step 4. Interacting with representatives. Got questions? Use the chat feature on the Zoom call with university reps. They're super friendly and ready to help with your queries about admissions, courses, and scholarships. Step 5. Participating in live webinars. Check the webinar schedule in advance. When it's time, click Join Now to hop into live sessions. Pro tip: prepare your questions beforehand to make the most of these sessions. Step 6. Networking and follow-up. Lastly, take advantage of the networking launch to connect with other attendees. After the fair, follow up with universities or JASO through email to stay updated on deadlines and opportunities. And that's it. Exploring the JASO virtual fair is super easy and packed with opportunities. If you've got dreams of studying in Japan, this is your chance to take the first step. Don't miss out. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, share it with your friends who dream of Japan, and subscribe for more guides like this. Arigato. See you next time. Finally, if you practice deep breathing throughout this video, feel free to continue it to your heart's content.